Welcome to the ICDC YouTube channel. My name is Gursahib and I've been working for ICDC for the last 3 summers now. So today we are standing in front of one of the wheat project that's been funded by Sask Wheat. We have multiple other projects that are funded by Sask Wheat, but this particular we would be talking about the disease, the Fusarium head blight. You might be wondering in a dry year like 2023, why are we talking about disease? But under irrigation, diseases are always a problem for us. So whether it's dry or cloudy, or if we get enough rainfall, we see a lot of diseases under irrigation. So this project is focused on Fusarium head blight. For Fusarium head blight, it's not new to us. This disease has been on the prairies for decades now. And we have been tackling this disease with numerous culture control practices. There are new genetics available, plant material made available which are resistant to Fusarium head blight. And for this disease, we would be more talking about the fungicides. This project is focused on, we're comparing different fungicides which are available on the market or which are resistant for Fusarium head blight. Normally, I would stay away from a project where I have to compare different products from different companies. But this project, this idea was brought forward by Sask Wheat. They reached out to all the agri-am sites to compare the products that are available on the market and see which are more efficacious or which are more economically viable, will be a viable option for the farmers to choose between products. So for this project, we are comparing 5 products or 5 chemicals. The first 3 are from the group 3 fungicide, which are Cramba, Fusarium, and then Proline. So they are group 3, and then we have group 7 and group 11. Until few years back, it was just group 3 which were resisted for control for Fusarium head blight. But with the new products that are coming up on the market, like the new one, Meravis product that came out in the last few years, these products are made by Syngenta. So these are multiple groups, group 7 and group 11, along with group 3. So the reason of including 2 active ingredients is just from the pathogen resistant standpoint of view, and other, like if you include multiple products, the chances are the efficacy of the chemical or the fungicide, it's more than single active ingredient products. So on this one, as I mentioned, 5 products. We have a control check just to see, just to compare things, how the plots will look like if it's not sprayed and if it's sprayed with 5 different chemicals. On this project, we will be looking at the visual symptoms, the Fusarium head blight index, which is due this week. So probably I will do those ratings this week. I was looking around this morning, and I'm seeing a lot of disease in this. These plots were inoculated, so the university, they help us with the Fusarium inoculations, and under irrigation, under inoculation, we were able to get the disease even in a dry year. So I will do the ratings this week, and then we are also looking at the Fusarium damaged kernel. That's one of the other quality parameter that should be evaluated for Fusarium head blight. And at the end, we would also looking at the mycotoxins. We all know that mycotoxins, they are a big issue when we talk about Fusarium. So these are the 3 main parameters we would be looking at. We have 6 sites involved in this project, but I'm not sure how the other 5 sites are doing with the drought this year. But at least from this site, from ICDC, I'm hopeful we'd have some interesting results, and then we can get back to you with the results later in the fall. I will try to speak about this project in our fall events or in the winter events, and also the results will be posted on our website, and a final report for all the site. It will be submitted to Sask Wheat, and they would also follow up with the results on this project. Thank you.